In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete text box in Google Slides. We'll walk through it step by step so you can quickly clean up any slide that has extra or unwanted text boxes. Start by opening your Chrome browser. Any modern browser will work, but since we're following along in Chrome, that's what I'll use. In the address bar, go to slides.google.com. If you prefer, you can search for Google Slides and click through from the results. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. Use the account that has access to the presentation you want to edit. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides home screen. From here, either select an existing presentation from your recent files or start with a template. If you're using a template, open it so you can see the slides and make your edits. If you're opening a project you've already started, just click it to open. Inside your presentation, look at the panel on the left that shows all your slide thumbnails. Click the slide that contains the text box you want to remove. This brings that slide into focus in the main editing area. Now, click directly on the text box you want to delete. You should see a border appear around it with small handles at the corners and sides. That border indicates the text box itself is selected, not just the text inside it. If your cursor is blinking in the text instead, click once on the edge of the box to select the whole box. With the text box selected, right-click on it. If you're on a trackpad, that's usually a two-finger click. A context menu will appear with several options related to the selected object. From that menu, click Delete. The text box will immediately disappear from the slide along with any text it contained. If you removed the wrong one, don't worry, use Undo to bring it back. Quick tips before we wrap up: you can also delete a selected text box by pressing the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. If you can't select a text box because it doesn't show a border when you click, it may be part of the slide's theme or master layout. In that case, it's not editable on the slide itself and needs to be changed in the theme settings. And if you have multiple boxes to remove, repeat the same selection and delete process for each one. That's all it takes to delete a text box in Google Slides. Simple, quick, and effective.